Can you feel me?
What's up, it's and Kicks, and I am back real quick just to show you my purchase and also to show you our new addition and setup right here. I finally got a pink couch since forever. I don't know why. It just gives us bougie vibes that we like. So I finally got that, but my room isn't set up quite yet. Still trying to like situate things around, but as always, I will leave all my social medias below. Have on literally barely nothing, a little blush, just some eyebrows, and my nude lips are a mixture of MAC, so pretty much everything MAC. I have like a couple different MAC lipsticks on, and
I just purchased my first vintage Louis Speedy 25.
Jump right into it. So this is my beauty, my Authentic Speedy 25. Love her. So first things first, this is a vintage Speedy 25. I will read you the date code. And one of the reasons why I wanted to pick up a vintage Speedy 25 is because the pocket right here is longer and I believe just a little bit bigger than the newer version. So mine's is right underneath the pocket, and my date code is SP0964. I believe that is, well, obviously it was made in France, June, and came out 1994. So one thing that I really like about this bag is that it is just a little bit older than myself. So I will be 25 this April, and this bag is gonna be 28, so, or it is 28 years old. So there are a couple videos here on YouTube showing what vintage bags look like, vintage Louis Vuitton. First and foremost, I purchased this from a seller on Mercari. Got her for a very great deal. Also, there's no cracking, no weird tears or marks, scuffs, no, none of that. The only thing is obviously the honey patina, but it definitely isn't like black and, you know, just, you know, all outdated. So the person that had this definitely took care of it, and she did say that she was sad to see it go, you know, but you know how that goes. And also there's just one little nick right here on the piping, and the piping is just a little bit worn out from wearing. But other than that, that's pretty much it. And the hardware, a little bit tarnished, but the bag is still in great condition, and the inside was literally spotless, and it did not have any odor. So this is the inside of my bag right now. I just have a like an orange base shaper I took from another bag. I just have a few of my contents in here, but this video is just gonna be a quick initial show and tell of my Speedy 25. So this isn't the original lock that came with the bag. She didn't have the lock, so I got the bag as is. No, I don't mind or anything since this isn't the bandolier version, but I had a lock from another bag, and I just have my keys in the pocket here. And I did add a black shiny acrylic link chain. I just feel like it's more of my style, and she's just so cute, and I really, really, really love this purchase that I made. So I'm gonna sit back a little bit so you guys can kind of see. So if you can see, I just have the keys and the AirPods in the pocket here. I have my denim pochette, and that just houses my sanitizer, gum, mask, and a lip gloss. Then I also have my Gucci key pouch that I'm using as a wallet, and I'm not using any organizer in this bag right at the moment. I do have an organizer, and I did not like how it looked in there. And then my Authentic key clay. So I have that in there. And then also the seller was very nice. She did give me this authentic dust bag. So the seller did give me this authentic dust bag, and she gave me a Louis Vuitton shopping bag. So right now all I have in this is just a little wristlet, just in case I just want to take like my pouch or like just some keys with me. I'm going to the mailbox. I could just like clip this on, and it's so cute, and it's just like a little bracelet, and I can just clip my car keys to this and just go. So I just have this in the slip right now just because, and honestly I'm not trying to like weigh down the bag too much, even though I just got it, and that was the reason why I purchased this bag, so that I can utilize it for every day. And that's how my orange little base shaper fits down there. So that's how my orange base shaper looks. And the bag is in very, very good and great condition. That's how it looks. There's literally no corner wear on this bag. So the previous owner definitely did take very good care of it, which is really nice, and obviously I'm going to take very good care of it as well. And I love the handles. Like, this is just like the perfect vintage starter piece, so I really love this. I'm definitely going to come back with a more in-depth review on this bag and just show you close up and even some styling videos. I do have a authentic Murakami key clay that I used to utilize as a wallet, but I just don't want to put too much wear and tear on this piece either. So I was thinking I could clip it, you know, right there. But I don't know, I think I like the simplicity of just the lock and the bag chain, just for a cute little touch. Yeah, you guys, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about my vintage purchase. I really like it because I feel like, first of all, purchasing a Speedy right now would probably cost me over $2,000 or maybe close to $3,000. I don't even know. I got my bag for a really great deal. It's under $500, so that's really nice. And the only thing is the zipper pull, the pull tab is off, but that's about it. Honestly, this bag is in great condition. The zip's really nice, and I feel like the quality on vintage bags from Louis Vuitton are much better, and they just look a lot, I don't know, for me personally, I feel like they just look a lot richer, and yeah. So I will be back with an updated video on like what's in my bag. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.